Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Diecast Maestro. Thank you very much for showering us with your love on the first two videos that we have launched. So, out of Diecast Maestro's garage, today we are going to shoot third in the series of our video presentations. Right. What do the films Sin City, Lethal Weapon 4, Die Hard with a Vengeance, James Bond, Die Another Day, James Bond Octopussy, The Bourne Identity have in common? Well, of course, it is a car. And what a car it is, I'll be revealing that shortly. In these films, good guys, the bad guys, the cops, the gangsters, everyone uses these cars. These cars are so popular that a lot of state heads have used them. Nelson Mandela had one of these gifted to him upon his release, and the automotive company donated the parts. The workers did some extra time without any charges, and in 4 days flat he was released on the 18th of July, and on the 22nd of July he was presented red color car. And as a very polar example, even Saddam Hussein had this car. He had 3 of these which were custom built with flamethrowers on their sides. Closer to home, one of these cars was gifted to our former Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi by the King of Jordan, and this car served in the Prime Ministerial and Presidential fleet of the Republic of India leaders up till 2012. Then they were replaced by different cars. So, what car is it that we are going to talk about today? Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, for today, this is a Mercedes-Benz 1979 S-Class, also called the W126. This was launched in 1979 at the Frankfurt Motor Show, and this was a very, very advanced car at that point of time. It has got the unmistakable S-Class. No wonder it was so popular with the gangsters. This car was built with very high strength alloy metals, which is very common now, but if you consider 1979, this was sci-fi. This car came with option of V8 engines. The maximum output on the 5.5 liter V8 was 296 bhp. It had everything. It had ABS, seatbelt pretensioners, it had crumple zones, automatic climate control, it had powered seat control, not known of or not heard of in those days. It had electrically adjustable steering column. Everything. This was 1979, not 2021. So now I'll come from 1 to 1 into 1:18. This model is made by a company called Norev, and I'll be doing a detailed review. very much for watching our video today. If you like the video, please click on the like button, subscribe, keep your comments and suggestions coming. We love to hear from you as always. So, Diecast Maestro signing off. Be safe everyone. See you soon. Stay tuned.